Are you looking for the top 5 best 4-inch car speakers? Don't buy the most popular one. The most sold 4-inch car speaker isn't always the best. That's what most people don't realize. You see the same brands everywhere, same power ratings, same shiny photos. But when you actually install them, the sound quality tells a completely different story. Today, I'm cutting through the noise to show you the real winners.
Product number 1. Pioneer F-Series TS F1035R. Let's start with the Pioneer F-Series TS F1035R. At just $25, this is one of the most affordable 4-inch speakers out there, and honestly, it punches above its weight. If you're looking to replace your factory speakers without spending much, this is worth a serious look. Pioneer is a trusted name in car audio, and even at this price, they didn't cut corners. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These speakers deliver 150 watts max power with 20 watts RMS, which means they work great with your car's stock head unit. No amp needed. The two-way coaxial design gives you balanced sound with decent bass from the woofer and clear highs from the tweeter. With an 86 dB sensitivity, they get loud enough for highway driving without distortion. And since they're 4 inches, they fit into most factory locations with zero modification. Now, some people complained about the bass being a bit weak if you're into heavy hip-hop or EDM. Here's the thing though, for everyday listening, podcasts, or light music, it's more than enough. These aren't meant for competition-level sound, but they clean up muddy factory audio nicely. This is perfect for you if you want a cheap, reliable upgrade from stock speakers and don't want to mess with amplifiers. Skip this one if you're chasing deep bass or plan to crank the volume every day. For the price, it's
product number 2, Orion Cobalt CB42. Alright, that was a solid budget pick, but if you want a noticeable step up in sound quality without breaking the bank, check out the Orion Cobalt CB42. At $39.95, it's still affordable, but the performance feels more premium. If you want richer bass and clearer vocals, this one's a strong contender. Here's why this matters for you. It handles 160 watts peak power with 40 watts RMS, and the 88 dB sensitivity means it gets loud fast, even on factory power. The polypropylene cone and butyl rubber surround are built to last and reduce distortion, especially at higher volumes. The frequency range goes down to 75 Hz, so you actually feel the low end, and the tweeter handles crisp highs without sounding harsh. Plus, installation is straightforward with universal fit and clear wiring labels. Now, some buyers mentioned the grills feel a bit flimsy, and if you're installing them in tight spaces, the mounting depth might require slight modifications. Here's the thing though, for most sedans and hatchbacks, they fit fine, and the sound quality easily outweighs the minor build quirks. This is perfect for you if you want better than stock sound with real bass presence and don't want to install an amp. Skip this one if you're on a super tight budget. Product number 3. Kenwood CFC 1066S. Now, if the Orion's bass still isn't enough for you, the Kenwood CFC 1066S brings a different strength to the table: clarity. At $49.95, it's mid-range priced, but the sound detail is impressive. If you listen to acoustic, jazz, or vocal-heavy music, this speaker shines. Here's why this matters for you. It has a 90 dB sensitivity, one of the highest on this list, so it gets loud with less power, meaning even weak factory stereos can drive it well. The 1-inch balanced dome tweeter delivers smooth, detailed highs, and the frequency response goes up to 22 kHz, capturing subtle notes other speakers miss. The 45 Hz low end isn't the deepest, but the mid-range is so clean, instruments sound natural and separated. Now, some users noted that the bass locks punch compared to others, and the peak power is listed as 210 W, but only 42 W RMS, so don't expect earth-shaking output. Here's the thing though, this speaker isn't built for volume, it's built for accuracy. If you value sound quality over loudness, it's a win.
This is perfect for you if you care about vocal clarity and instrument detail, especially in smaller cars. Skip this one if you blast bass-heavy music or want a speaker that doubles as a mini subwoofer. For audiophiles on a budget, it's a smart pick. Product number 4. Rockford Fosgate R14X2. Alright, that was a great option for sound purists, but if you want legendary brand reliability and consistent performance, the Rockford Fosgate R14X2 is hard to beat. At $61.03, it's the priciest here, but Rockford Fosgate is known for durability and sound quality. If you want a speaker that lasts years without fading, this is it. Here's why this matters for you. Rated at 30W RMS and 60W max, it's efficient and handles power cleanly. The vacuum-formed polypropylene cone and rubber surround resist heat and moisture, perfect for hot summers or rainy climates. The included grills and mounting hardware make installation clean, and the full 1-year warranty gives peace of mind. Even though the frequency response starts at 100 Hz, so no real deep bass, the mid-range is tight and punchy. Now, some people were frustrated that it doesn't go lower than 100 Hz, so you'll miss out on the lowest frequencies unless you add a sub. Here's the thing though, most 4-inch speakers struggle with deep bass anyway. This one focuses on doing mids and highs exceptionally well, and it does. This is perfect for you if you want a durable, brand name upgrade with solid build quality and reliable sound. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or need strong low-end response. Product number 5. CT Sounds Bio 4-COX. Finally, if you want a balanced mix of power, clarity, and included extras, the CT Sounds Bio 4-COX is a sleeper hit. At $34.99, it's priced right in the middle, but comes with everything you need. If you want an all-in-one upgrade with easy installation, this one stands out. Here's why this matters for you. It delivers 40W RMS and 80W max per speaker, totaling 160W peak, plenty for loud, clear sound. The silk dome tweeter gives smooth highs, while the polypropylene woofer handles mids and light bass well. But what really sets it apart is the package. You get pre-crimped speaker wires, mounting screws, clips, grills, and a detailed manual with wiring diagrams. No running to the store mid-install. Now, some users said the bass can get muddy if you push it too hard without an amp. Here's the thing though, for daily driving and moderate listening, it's crisp and full. And since it's designed to run off factory head units, most people won't even notice. This is perfect for you if you're doing a DIY install and want everything included. Skip this one if you already have wiring harnesses or prefer component systems. For the price and convenience, it's one of the best complete packages. So which one should you pick? The Pioneer is great if you're on a tight budget. The Orion gives you better bass and clarity for just a bit more. The Kenwood is for sound quality lovers who value detail. The Rockford Fosgate is the durable, long-term investment. And the CT Sounds? Perfect if you want everything included for a smooth install. Don't just go for the most popular, pick the one that fits your car, your music, and your budget.